عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. دماتين كسوة دوادة عروض بوجات السجالات سديدات أنكو قبل المجالات هلسنكي وحوي فرصة وين وهي نقطة بندقة هو يدي بندقيات هي نقطة. I'd like to thank you. I'd like to thank the Somali community living here in Finland. It's great pleasure for me again and again to participate in this book fair, annual book fair event here in Finland. This is the 8th year in a row, 8 consecutive years it has been. It became the symbol and the brand name of all the Somali book fairs and cultural events. This place that we are now, it's the logo of all Somali book fairs, whether they are held in Australia or in Canada. This picture, a picture we took in 2006, became a brand name and a logo to most of the Somali book fair events in Europe and even in North America and even in Somalia. As we said, a journey starts with the first mile. I believe we made that mile. We made so far 8 miles at least. So this is a great achievement. Many of us have been here. Auntie, our captain, Suniba, all of us, many have contributed a lot. I'd like to thank the Finnish Public Library System, Cellular Library, and Pastoral Library. And it's a great challenge now that the libraries, they have to face the new challenge. It is over now. The old time that the librarians, they used to wait a client to come in. That's past now. The library has to be very competitive. The reading culture has been extremely damaged by the digital age. Books, kids, they can sit in front of the computer hours and hours while they cannot even read 10 minutes in a book. So you have to, the library and the librarians, the policy has to be shifted to that direction. We need multimedia, we need e-books, we need Facebook, Twitter, and all these services, they should be available in the library. A library is not as it was, and all the tradition, a place you should stay silent and keep quiet. That age has been passed. The library and the librarians, they have to face up to the challenge. That's number one. For the Somali community, it's a great pleasure. We made a significant journey. Today we do have, I think, over 300 different titles in the Finnish collection. The Somali language is, I think, number 9 or number 10 most borrowed language now. And the message is always, you have to come to the library and borrow the books. The books, they are not allowed to sit on the shelves idle. You gotta come to the library and you have to borrow the books. You have to be connected to the library. That's the message for the Somali community living here in Finland. And of course, I mentioned the challenge that the library has to face even in the future. I would like to thank you, and a great pleasure to be here in Finland. I'm going to say just a few words in Somali. وأكون ما تنتهي دمانتين عروضي سيدات وين بوجاك هالكن يلا أي نكاء ما هنو أبى شبه ضبكت من يعني بوقت يعني القادرين وين القادة بوقته فرنك سويك يعني هذا اللغة الصومالية واللغة السجالات إلا ما هذا وين لا تدع بقول الكتاب بهالكن يلا وأنا كسر بذكرنا مركب قولوا عم نبات نورتشينيا يعني وأوجد ضدك يبيت ترنس لاقي هاي يرنامبر كما قال دقن ونسنة كيس جداد مركب لذلك دين عيننا كيما دو وما زلتين.
Thank you very much.